All right, today we'll be weighing the Gen 4 Glock 23 in 40 caliber. All right, so the stock 13 round magazine is 67.4 grams, 67.5 grams. Which is 2.38 ounces. So 2.4 ounces, you might as well say. All right. Then we'll weigh the gun without the magazine. 21.4 ounces. And for those that want to know in grams, .606 ounces. I'm sorry, 606.5 grams. All right, and then let's go with the empty magazine inserted. .674 grams. Which is 23.75 ounces. All right, so not too bad. All right, guys, see you on the next one.